Filming.
Let's see how this goes.
What have you got?
She's just leaning forward.
What have you got? You resting your chin?
Come here.
You resting your chin?
Get your arm out.
Your legs don't touch the bottom.
Oh, they don't, do they?
Your little tiny legs, they don't reach.
I just caught her by the face.
Oh, you've got a sad face. You're not bothered.
You don't care, do you?
You're telling a story. Oh dear. Oh dear.
I don't think you're big enough for this yet, are you?
His mum is very impatient, like 3 to 4 months impatient.
I thought her legs might reach the bottom and she could bounce.
Nice. What's the age limit on it?
Yeah, I told you 6 months and you said, yeah, but she can go in that.
Look, she's in it. I was correct. She's not impressed.
No.
Mummy, this is rubbish.
No, she'll get you out. Oh. Wow. Is that better? You can stop filming now.
Can I? Don't steal my moves. That's one of my moves. Skinny.